rain in a long house. I'm alone here and just wanted to show you the power of nature. It was sunny, 27 degrees a couple of minutes ago, and this is what it looks right now. It's raining a lot from all over the place. The sky is just falling apart. And here is the water coming down from the roof. That was close. That was very close and very scary. The other parts of the house are doing well, actually, because usually we're gonna have the windows and the doors at the moment, and the water would come in very quickly. Luckily, the constructor just put this nice big trench for the water to go in, and that looks amazing at the moment. As you can see, it's dry here and here is wet. The entire water is sliding inside. Here is the second very large small waterfall coming down from our roof. Let me show you too. This is what it looks right now. The main issue is this part right here, because it's not finished yet, and the water is coming right in. Hopefully we did this hole right here, so as you can see it's going straight in, and then it's dripping into our underground room, which is opened, and the water can easily go out from there. So yeah, I did those two blocks here just to proof the water a little bit, just to make it waterproof. It is what it is, and the water is still coming. And the leakage is here as well now, so we have to fix it. I hope that's all, because I can see blue sky above us, but the rain is still falling down. it's slowing down slowly. However, this right here is filling very fast. I hope it's done soon. This small drainage channel is definitely doing great. As you can see, the water is sliding across it right to the end. Alright, it's finally now dropping very slow. So this was the only corner, but this water right here, it was a little bit spread out, but again, nothing special, I think. Just a little bit of water, nothing too bad. And this room right here looks very fine at the moment. No leaks anywhere, and that's the most important part. Here as well, no leaks, and this room also no leaks. So only this major one and that one over there, and that's all. We are good for now, and I'm especially happy for this bed right here. As you can see, the slope is made perfectly, so the entire water is collecting on the other end and going into the channel, and from this channel right to there. And once we finish all, this water from here will go directly there. Alright, the sky is now better. That looks fine. Brand new pads are doing well as well. The water doesn't collect anywhere, and that's great. It's getting fine now. Thank you for staying with me in this first rainstorm here in our house. It wasn't too scary. It was just too much water at the moment. But all those leaks, we are going to fix them very easily.